bananas at 6. That means he bought 6 bananas for 10 rupees. That's the cost price. Okay. So cost price of 6 bananas is equal to 10 rupees. And sold them at 4 for rupees 6. So he sold like bananas, 4 bananas he is selling at rupees 6. This is the SP. So SP of 4 bananas is equal to 6 rupees. I already told you there should be a compatibility between these two. Okay. If there is no compatibility between these two, you cannot find out the profit or loss. That means when you have cost price of 6 bananas, you should have selling price of 6 bananas to find out the answer or find out the profit or loss. When you have selling price of 4 bananas, you should have or you should have, like for example, if you take this, then also you can find out the profit or loss. If you take this, then also you can find out the profit or loss. How? If you have cost price of 6 bananas, you try to find out selling price of 6 bananas, you will get the answer. You have selling price of 4 bananas, you try to find out cost price of 4 bananas, you'll get the answer. So we can do either way. So let's do this problem simply. So I have cost price of 6 bananas as 10. So CP of 6 bananas is how much? Let us say
10.
bananas and CP. So let's take in this way, CP and bananas. Okay, 10 rupees is the CP of 6 bananas.
6 bananas.
Okay, so now what we want SP. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so we cannot find out the SP for this. So we need to take the second combination to find out the SP. How we can take? See, SP is how much? 6 rupees. For how many bananas? 4 rupees. For 4 bananas, if the SP is 6 rupees, for 6 bananas, it will be how much? Okay. Can you get the SP in this form?
Yes, sir.
6 banana, like 4 bananas ka SP you have. So 6 bananas ka SP is how much? 36 by 4. Can I get 9 rupees?
Yes,
Can
sir.
I get 9 rupees or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So now I have cost price of 6 bananas as 10. I have selling price of 6 bananas as 9. Can I find out the profit or loss now? Can I find out the profit or loss or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Just find out and tell me now. So now what will I do? SP minus CP. He is asking me, what is he asking me? Gain or loss percent. Let me see what's the question he has. Find the gain or loss percent. Okay. So SP minus CP by CP into 100. So what is my SP of 6 bananas? 9. What is my CP of 6 bananas? 10. My God, my SP is less than my CP. So I am definitely at loss. And what is my CP of this 6 bananas? 10 into 100. So cancel here, minus 1. Minus 1 into 10 is 10% loss. Got it. Anyone wants explanation once again?
No, sir.
Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you should just need to find do the compatibility. Here the compatibility is not given. Compatibility is nothing but when you have cost price of 6 bananas, if you have selling price of 4 bananas, you will get the answer. So in order to find out selling price of 6 bananas, they have given you a base. That means some hint. So selling price of 4 bananas is 6 rupees. So I have taken that. Where I have taken that? Selling price 6. How many bananas? 4. So for 4 bananas, if the selling price is 6 rupees, For 6 bananas, it will be how much? I just did the cross multiplication, unitary method. In your school you have learned. So 36 by 4, 9 rupees I got the selling price of 6 bananas. Now I have the CP of 6 bananas, I have the SP of 6 bananas. I can easily find out the profit or loss percentage by this formula. Can you do the next question and tell me what's the answer? Or I'll give you that as a homework. Okay. Now I'm giving you 5 questions more. Take them down. We'll wind up the class for profit and loss, and I'll give you some worksheet to do the questions. Come on, write on. Next sum is homework. I'm giving you that as a homework. So I'll ask you the answer tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please note it down if you don't have.
Yes.
Okay. हेलो बोलो लक्ष्य करो मैं कल डाउट सेशन लगा रहा हूँ कल सबका जो भी बच्चों को दिया ना मेरे को बोले तो अभी आप वो कल के भी डाउट्स है ब्लड रिलेशंस के कल मॉर्निंग की क्लास अटेंड करो कल सबके डाउट्स करेंगे बैठ 1 घंटा ठीक है राइट मैं तुम्हारे को प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस भी भिजा रहा हूँ थोड़ी देर में क्वेश्चंस नहीं तो वो चैलेंज प्रॉब्लम्स फिनिश करो मैं प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस खत्म करने में आ रहा हूँ अभी हाँ नहीं मैं तुम्हारे को जब से कॉल कर रहा हूँ तुम्हारा स्काइप ही बंद है ठीक है देख ठीक है लक्ष्य ओके ओके ठीक है हाँ मैं लगा तो पक्का है कल पक्का लगा रहा हूँ राइट बाय बाय चलो टेक डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट हम होमवर्क कर लो और फटाफट वाइंड अप करेंगे चैप्टर को विल डू सम करंट अफेयर्स देन चलो भाई टेक दिस क्वेश्चन try to solve this too. Just 2 minutes, I'll be back. Try. Yes, let's do these two questions. These are two new models actually. So you need to use the formula for first one, okay? There's a new term used here. The new term used here is marked. Can you see this here? Marked. What is marked price? Marked price or list price is nothing but the MRP at what
Mark.
at which the sellers sell the goods. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what happens? Sometimes you go to a shop, you bargain with them for discounts. So you took some 100 rupees, you took some 1,000 rupees. You went to purchase a jeans, and he quoted you 1,000 rupees, and you had a bargain with him, with the shopkeeper, and you told that I'll just pay you some. You just give us discount. So he told you, okay sir, I'm happy. I'll make you happy as a customer and give you 200 rupees discount. So the now it is costing you 800. You are very happy because you bought 200 rupees back with you to your home. But he is still happy. Why? Because he has given you a discount on his marked price, not on selling price. Okay, so maybe the jeans has cost maybe he it costed him 300 rupees. He's selling it for 500. He can like he has a very good margin if he sells it at 600 rupees, 100% margin, and still he is quoting 1,000 and selling you. So even though you get discount, he is still at profits of 100%. Okay, because he is selling 300 ka jeans at 600 rupees. So that is the trick they play. So now such kind of question is given, and they are asking you to find out the actual cost. So see the equation. You should write this formula: 1 minus a marked price into 1 minus discount percentage, that is discount, either you write discount percentage or you write by 100. The same thing was going on here. Actually, there was some mistake in the formula given in the book. I could analyze that. That is the question. That's why when I was solving that particular formula, I was getting some wrong answers. So that then I could analyze that book has some printing error. The error I will show you. So error is here clearly given. If you write gain percentage here, don't write 100. That means 100 plus gain percent into CP, or 100 plus gain. Okay, 100 plus gain. So I'll show you how. So SP into SP is equal to 100 plus gain, that is 20. Okay, into CP 100 by 100. So you'll get 120 as SP. Yes. So I'll make the formula clear to you at last. I'll give you these two formulas once again. There's some printing error in the book. We'll rectify that. Don't worry. So mark price into 1 minus D by 100, or you can write 1 minus D percent also, that is discount percentage. Okay, so either that is equal to cost price into 1 plus G by 100. So this is the formula. Marked price, when you deduct discount from marked price, okay, you get the selling price. Okay, we'll write like this, is equal to selling price. That means cost price into 1 plus gain percent, or marked price into 1 minus discount percent gives you selling price always. Okay, or you write like this, marked price into 1 minus D by 100 is equal to the selling price is equal to cost price into 1 plus gain by 100. Both mean the same. If you deduct discount from mark price, you get selling price. If you add gain to cost price, you get selling price. Okay, both mean the same. So now let's do this problem, like how it goes. So here this D by 100 is nothing but we are writing this percentage directly as D by 100. Like that means 20%. What is the meaning of 20%? 20% means 20 by 100. Okay, 20% means 20 by 100. So I'll write this question, marked price. So what is your marked price in the question given? 280, marked rupees 280. A trader offers his customers 10% discount and still makes a profit of 26%. What is the actual cost to him of an article marked rupees 280? So the marked price is clearly 280. How much discount is giving to the customers? A trader offers his customers 10% discount. So he is giving 10% discount. So let us write 10 by 100. That means 10% ka meaning is 10 by 100. Percentage is nothing but by 100 always. Okay, is equal to what they're asking is they're asking us cost price. So we don't want to take this complete equation. We'll take the equation according to our need. So cost price is what they're asking us. Why? Because all the equations are same. Okay, cost price into 1 plus what is the gain given? 26 by 100. So now can you solve this and find out the cost price for me? Yes, solve this. So 280 into 1 minus 10 by 100 is equal to cost price into 1 plus 26 by 100. Come on, solve this and tell me what's the answer for cost price. We'll go for the next question. What is the answer? Tell me what's the answer if you got it. Okay, do it.
सर हो गया
हाँ, क्या आंसर?
200 200
Okay, 200 is the answer. Therefore, CP is equal to 200. Okay, so let's do the next question now. So next question is given as a profit of 20% is made on goods when a discount of 10% is given. So a profit of 20% is made on goods when a discount of 10% is given on the marked price. So you went to a shop and you want to purchase something, and when you asked him the price, he told you some price, okay, that is list price or marked price or MRP, whatever it is, and he also gave you some 10% of discount. So when he gave you some 10% of discount, suppose 1000 rupees is the value of the jeans, he gave it to you for 900 rupees, and when you bought that jeans for 900 rupees and sold in the market, you made some 20% profit. Okay, so what price percent will be made when a discount of 20% is given on the market price? So for 10% discount, if you are making 20% profits, what will be the profit if they give you 20% discount? Got it? So for 10% discount, 20% profit. For 20% discount, how much profit? Okay, how much? Now don't tell me 40%. That will not be the right answer. So you should first understand the question. Okay, for 10% discount given on some good, your profit you are making is 20%. They are asking what will be the profit percent, what will be the market price, what price percent will be made, what profit percent it is, like what profit percent. What profit percent will be made when a discount of 20% is given on the market price. Okay, so when they gave you 10% discount on market price, you got 20% profit. When they'll give you 20% discount on market price, how much profit you're going to make? So there's a good formula for this. Write on the formula and do the question. Nice. So take this formula and write and solve the question. So formula is 100 minus d1 by 100 minus d2 is equal to 100 plus g1 by 100 plus g2. So they are giving you discount of how much on the market price? In the first case, 10%. So 100 minus 10 by, what is the discount they are giving to you on the marked price for the second time for the same thing? What is the question they are asking?
10%.
A profit of 20% is made on goods when a discount of 10% is given on the marked price. What profit percent will be made when a discount of 20% is given on the mark price? So in the second case, they are saying that if they give you 20% discount, what will be the gain? So 100 minus 20 is equal to 100 plus. What's the gain percent in the first case? In the first case, the gain percent is 20. What is the gain percent in the second case? You need to find out. Come on, do it. Solve this. For 10% discount, 20% gain. For 20% discount, how much is the gain? That's the question.
Sir, 20 by 3.
That is how much?
62 by 3%.
6.66.
Yeah.
Yes. Now write down the next last set of questions. Then we are done with profit and loss. First, write down a particular relation. Okay. Everyone done this? I'm going forward. Everyone finished?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah, I'm going forward. Yes. Good. Now, suppose this is the formula. Okay. If an item is sold at two different price, S1 and S2, and with X1 profit and X2 profit respectively, then CP by 100 is equal to S1 by 100 plus X1 is equal to S2 by 100 plus X2 is equal to S1 minus S2 by X1 minus X2. So this is nothing but change in selling price, and this is change in profits. Write on this relationship. Very important relation. Very important. In this case, we have already used this relationship already to find out the answer for a question. These are the tricks, all tricks and tips you should understand and you should apply when doing the question. In seconds, you'll get the answer. They are not going to give you lengthy calculations. So here, with the help of trick, you can save your unnecessary steps. Okay, write down two questions now. A man sold a horse at 7% loss. To stop, had he been able to sell at a gain of 9%, it would have fetched rupees 64 more than it did. Find CP. Next question. Next question. This question you can do it as a homework. A person sold a tape recorder at a loss of 2.5%. Had he sold it for rupees 8,000 more, comma, he would have gained 7.5%. Full stop. For what value he should sell it in order to gain 12.5%. Your wish. If you want, I'll explain these two questions. However, I'll give you some 20 to 25 questions as homework. Try to solve this. Come on. Very easy questions. With one simple trick, one single step, you can finish this. Come on, try. Hello. Hello. Okay, so how to do this question? It's very easy question actually. A man sold a horse at 7% loss. Okay. Had he been able to sell at a gain of 9%, he would have fetched rupees 64 more than it did find CP. So I've given you this relationship here. You can see the relationship. CP by 100 is equal to all this stuff. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the formula here. CP is equal to S1 minus S2 by X1 minus X2. Because this entire relationship is, I'm taking class tomorrow. Yes, of course. The entire formula, what you are seeing, all of them are equal. All of them are equal. So can I equate both of them and get my answer? Yes. See, now what you have to do here, you have to act smartly. A man sold a horse at 7% loss. He sold at loss. Yes. Had he been able to sell at a gain of 9%, so there is a loss given, there is a profit given. And that loss and profit, whatever it is, nothing but we have to see what is the change between them. Okay. So that we will see. It would have fetched rupees 64 more than it did. So 64 more than it did is nothing but change in selling prices. A man sold a horse at some loss. Okay. If he would have sold that at some other price, he would have gained 9%. So there are two prices. one price he is getting a loss, the another price if he sells, he will get the gain. So there are two selling prices. Yes, but we need not bother about those two selling prices. Why? Because the difference in the selling price is clearly given, 64. So 64 divided by, what is your profit? 9. What is your loss? 7%. So minus of minus 7. So 64 divided by 16. What is that? 64 divided by 16. And here, actually here you should take CP by 100. Sorry, CP by 100. So sorry, it's congested here. So CP by 100 is equal to 64 by 16. We'll get 4 here. Just take 100 there and as a cross multiply. CP is equal to 400. Got the answer. Come on, see this. We'll go for the next one. So instead of doing all the unnecessary steps, in one single step, you are able to crack this question. Okay. So I am giving you the hint for the next question also. You should apply the same formula. Come on, do the next question now. Apply the same formula. See, I want an answer from you. Please get me the answer now for this. Okay, this you do as a homework, not a problem. There is a trick here. Okay, so don't blindly go for it. He's asking what value he would sell. He's asking you the selling price at last. Okay, fine. So you need to be careful while doing this question. Do it as a homework. Come on. Let's wind up the chapter with last two questions. All of you have taken the screenshot now. Please take it. If you have not taken, this is a homework question. And the hint is same formula you need to apply. You need to apply the same formula. CP is equal to S1 minus S2 by X1 minus X2. With this formula, you will be getting the cost price. Okay, yeah, this will be giving you the cost price. And the cost price you need to get is 80,000. I'm giving that also to you. Don't worry. Once you get the cost price, you can find out the profit. Why? Because 100 plus gain percent, or 100 gain percent you can convert into gain also. 100 plus gain percent into CP is nothing but equal to SP. Okay, so this formula you have to apply. Why will you apply this formula? You have CP, you have gain percent. So I was telling you something. What was I telling you is, instead of, if you are getting confused this formula, you write on this formula. It's very simple to find out. See, the formula is, when you have this profit percent and cost price. So you have in this question profit percentage as well as you have the cost price, which would be 80,000. So SP is equal to 100 plus profit divided by 100 into cost price. So what will you get the answer? So 100 plus profit. Profit is how much? 12.5% they have given, na? So 100 plus 12.5 divided by 100 into 80,000, you will get 90,000. That means don't take percentage here. Directly take the value. Why you should not take the percentage? Because you are taking 100 in the denominator. If you don't take 100 in the denominator, it will be 100 plus P percent. Okay. Again, you have to take P percent as P by 100. So this is the best formula. Whenever profit and CP is given, So SP is equal to 100 plus profit by 100 into CP. You'll get the exact answer. So I'm writing out these two formulas once again. Please take a screenshot because you should not get confused with percentage and all this. I'm writing a refined formula. Okay, you will never get confused. That's what I was saying. Some printing error in the book is there. So now I got that rectified. I solved it actually. I solved it and got it. I got the proof here. I solved it and I saw the proof. So SP when profit percent and CP is given. So write on this formula. SP is equal to 100 plus profit whole divided by 100 into CP. And when loss percent and CP is given, SP is equal to 100 minus loss whole divided by 100 into CP. Now you got the answer here, see, very properly. Why? Because 100 plus 12.5, they have given you 12.5%. So instead of 12.5, I took 12.5%. Okay, 12.5%. But I did not take this percentage. I did not take this percentage. I directly took 12.5. Why? Because it is divided by 100. Okay. So a percent ka meaning is a by 100. So you should not get confused. So since you should not get confused, I am giving you these two refined formulas. So whenever the percentage is also given, you should directly take the value. That is the percentage, whatever is given, you remove the percentage and directly take the value given. So in this case, what I'm doing here is, instead of taking percentage, I'm taking 100 plus 12.5 by 100 into 80,000. So when I solve this completely, I will always get 90,000 as answer. Why? Because 112.5 by 100 into 80,000. I cancel this too. So 800 into 112.5 is how much? It is 90,000, correct? Okay, so these two formulas you should use. Same continues with the CP formula also, cross multiplication. Okay, so I solved this problem also. Take down last two questions and let us put a full stop to the chapter. I'm done with all problems of profit and loss. Take this two. Fan chal raha hai. A man sold two almiras for rupees 4,800 each. On one, he gains 30%, and on other, he loses 20%. So how much does he gain or lose in the whole transaction? Many of you are very silent when I started mathematics. I'm not seeing any one of you being very active. When it was reasoning, you were very active. So such is the, so you have a panic of mathematics. I'm not seeing you very active with maths. Okay, I'm giving you a formula for this and you should find out the answer and tell me. See, what is he asking? See, you remember that formula we did whereby a man sold two watches for some 850 rupees each. So here he is selling two almiras for 4,800 each. On one he gains 30% and on another he loses 20%. There he was gaining 10%. Sorry, he was gaining some 15%. he was losing also 15%. There the profit percent and loss percent were the same. Here the profit percent and loss percent are different. So here the formula will change. Okay. So how much does he gain or lose in the whole transaction? So I'll write the formula. You make a note of it. When, so he is asking how much gain or loss, and the answer is given in this way. A 0.20%, B 0.85%, C 0.95%, D none. So now I am writing the formula. So here the combination has changed. He is selling two almiras, which is a similar kind of good, and the price of two almiras is also same, that is 4,800 each. But there the profit percent and loss percent were the same. Here the loss percent and profit percent both are different. So now we need to find the gain or loss, and the answers are given in terms of percentage. Okay. So in that case you need to apply this formula which I am giving. When percentage gain or percentage loss on two articles is not same, then overall but they have the same selling price but same SP, then overall percentage gain or percentage loss is equal to 100 minus, you need to remember, 2 into 100 plus x1 into 100 plus x2 by 100 plus x1 plus 100 plus x2. So here whenever there is a profit you should keep plus, whenever there is a loss you should keep minus. For example, in this gain is 30%, so 30% gain and 20% loss, so minus 20%. Okay. Now you can solve this formula, this problem with the help of this formula by putting the values. You will get the answer. Do it. Tell me the answer.
सर हो गया.
क्या है आंसर?
0.95.
ये 0.95. गुड. अब वो 0.95 तुम्हारे को गेन है कि लॉस है? अगर प्लस में आंसर आया तो गेन है, अगर माइनस में आया तो लॉस है.
गेन आया.
यस, वो गेन ही है इसलिए.
सर लॉस में आया तो कंपलसरी माइनस लगाना क्या सर?
माइनस में आता है आंसर, माइनस आया तो लॉस.
ओके सर.
ओके. तो आप सबको अभी मैं बता दिया. One small thing, there was some printing error in the book and many of the books have the same kind of error. So for you not to get such kind of confusion, I have written the formula here. Don't take a percentage because by 100 means the percentage the percentage meaning itself is by 100. So I already told you a percent is a by 100. So it's like by 100. So no need to take a percentage here. If you take a percentage here, suppose you take a percentage 100 plus 20% by 100. What will happen? You will do 100 plus 20 by 100 again by 100. That will give a wrong answer. So just forget about this element of percentage. Think this as a coronavirus and take P. That's it. Okay. Just eliminate it. So all of you have written everything?
Yes, sir.
Everyone has written, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, people. I am giving you screenshot of questions to be solved. Take a 10 minutes break. Come down. We will discuss the current affairs of today. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Just 20 minutes discussion will take place. Plus, I will give you some 20 words to do today as synonyms and antonyms. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Until unless by Monday.